Hello guys, welcome to another video on this YouTube channel, and welcome to the first video on the three-part series of the Upwork Starter Course. My name is David Bright, and today we shall be discussing Upwork freelance account creation, and I shall be sharing 7 tips to creating a successful freelance account. You definitely would not want to miss any part of this video, so try to stick with us to the end, as I'll be sharing a lot of important information that will help your freelance business in the long range. Before we proceed, if you're an existing subscriber, kindly do well to like, share and comment down your thoughts on the video below or whatever questions you might have. And if you're new to this channel, kindly do well to subscribe, like and also comment down your thoughts on the video, your expectations for the next video, and whatever questions you might have in this video. As I said earlier, this is the part 1 of a 3-part series, and the other 2 parts have the topic working tips on how to send converting proposals and how to create standard project catalogs. So firstly, we're going to take a look at things to know or tips for Upwork account creation. And the first one is be original. Do not make up fake stories about yourself, and be as honest and transparent as possible. Number 2 is be deliberate. When starting out on Upwork, you must have a reason for starting. You must have a why, which will be your source of motivation. And number 3, be expressive and detailed. Be able to express and describe yourself within a few words. This will also help a lot with proposals. 4, be flexible. Make use of at least 3 different but major languages in your profile. Number 5 tip is be professional. Ensure to show professionalism in anything you do on your Upwork account, especially when setting up your profile. Number 6 is be reasonable and considerate. As a new seller on the platform, ensure to set up reasonable hourly rates. And the last tip is to watch this video till the end, because I'll be explaining all the tips as I proceed with the Upwork account creation. So now, to creating my Upwork account, you navigate to upwork.com, then you click sign up, and you want to join as a freelancer, then apply as a freelancer. Now I'm going to create an account using my Google account, so continue with Google. You can use your email whatsoever. Now create my account. You subscribe to the newsletter, yeah, create my account, and we are in. So my Upwork account is created, but it needs setup for me to be able to sell on Upwork. Majority of us have accounts, but let's take note of the steps. So now get started. So as I said earlier, I'm going to be explaining the tips we listed beforehand, and the first one is be original. You want to ensure that whatever information you're providing is accurate and true. So now, starting out on this platform, question is, have you freelanced before? So I'll just go ahead and select I've tried, but might still need some tips, so I'll get some guidance along the way as I proceed. But you are free to choose whichever of the options fit you. So here we are asked the question, what's your biggest goal for freelancing? This is the part that satisfies being deliberate. Upwork wants to know if you are ready to put in the required effort. So the recommended option I'll give here is to earn my main income, which is option 1. So the next thing here is to filter how you want Upwork to provide you jobs, and you can just select all 3. Yes, we want all 3 options. So now continue to create a profile. Now, how would you like to tell us about yourself? You can either import from LinkedIn, import your resume, or fill out manually. But for the sake of this video, we're going to fill it out manually. So remember, tip 3 says be expressive and detailed. Now explains exactly what we are to do here. We must be able to describe ourselves and what we do in very, very short sentences. It also helps a lot with our proposals. So now it's time to add our title. Just think of something very short, precise, and descriptive, and come up with a title around that. So for this video, I'll be using Web Designer, WordPress, CMS Expert. Pay attention to this. I made use of a service, the platform, and a collective name. So you can follow that format to create yours also. So now it's time to fill in our education, should I call it certifications? As it says, clients would like to know what you know, add your education here. So you can fill out the form as as you deem appropriate. Just ensure you are putting in the right details. So as you can see, we filled out our education information successfully, and this is how it will look. Now let's save changes and add our languages. So for great opportunities on Upwork, you definitely want to show more flexibility by selecting multiple languages, and my recommended languages are English, French, and Spanish. So now it's time for us to add our skills. So I'm going to be selecting some skills here for WordPress, just website related skills. Then we have a maximum of 15 skills to select. Ensure to select only skills related to your field, as selecting skills that are not related to your field might end up in you having proposals that that you are not actually interested in, or job posts you're not interested in. Now it's time to write our bio. So here, this aspect actually satisfies our ability to show professionalism. As you can see, our fifth step here shows be professional. So now let me just share some tips on how to write your bio in a way that actually convinces potential clients. So number one, you want to know that your bio is the place you actually sell yourself, not your proposal. You know, your proposal, you want to tell your clients how you can actually solve their problems, but in your bio you want to actually help your potential clients understand the skills you actually possess. So you need to understand clearly the difference between both of them. So there are some other tips here we're actually going to take notice of, but I'll try to point them out in the next video. And one other thing is I'll be showing you a perfect example of the way to write your bio. I'll be showing you that at the end of this video, so you actually want to stick to the end. So now let's move to the next thing, which is choosing your area of work. So we'll click that right now, and here we are asked what are the main services you offer. As you can see, it has given us two perfect suggestions: web development and web and mobile design. So if you have a custom service you offer, you can go pick that yourself. So now let's set your hourly rate. This is the point or the aspect that satisfies being considerate and reasonable. Well, it's no problem if you wish to set a high rate based on the fact, oh, you believe you are charging based on your worth. But you know you're just starting out on the platform, so you want to actually first establish a sort of authority with your profile. So it's of best advice that you reduce your hourly rate and set minimum and affordable prices. So now we are almost done with our Upwork account creation. Now it's time to fill in our profile picture, country, and the rest. So now I'm going to go ahead and select a profile image. Now you should take note, Upwork has rules for its profile picture. This picture I uploaded here, the first one, is a bad example of a profile picture. Why? Because of the glasses. The glasses is also tinted, and also the picture is not showing his face clearly, so it's a very bad picture. And the second picture shows a representation of a good profile picture. So I filled in the rest of the details, and now click on check your profile. So with this, you can say uh, we are done with our Upwork profile creation. But this profile obviously needs a lot of optimization. This is just the basic profile creation. The optimization will be done in a later video. So now we'll publish our profile, we submit our profile, and nice work, Philip. Your profile is ready. Note, this was just a sample profile, this is not mine. So that's that on how to create your Upwork account. Your Upwork account. You have to set up your Upwork profile. So as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you an example of a perfectly written Upwork bio, and this is it. You can pause the video and read through it. You can read exactly how I wrote my own bio. This is my account, and as you can see, it has 100% profile completion, and it's also verified. So I've taken my time to do all that's necessary. So with this, we've come to the end of today's video. But before I go, I want to show you one more thing which you would stand a chance to see in the next video, which is why you have to go down there and subscribe. Upwork also gives you the ability to create another project, or should I call it profile category. And as you can see, I have one called web design. So there is more like you're opening a different account on the same account where you can offer a different service entirely. That's why when you're setting up your profile for one service, it should be that service. Don't run two services in one profile. So you can create a duplicate one to run another service. So as you can see, this is it. You can check it up yourself on Upwork by searching my username. And that's all for today's video. Once again, I expect to be seeing you in the next video, where I'll be discussing how to send converting proposals and the tips I use to hit recurring messages. That is, I sent proposals and people replied to my proposals, and also how to convert your messages to sales, because that's very important. What is of getting messages if you can't convert them? Sales is important. How to convert your messages, I'll be discussing that all in the next video, so you want to stay tuned. And before we go, let me just give credit to our graphics designer and beat maker in person of Sammy Graphics and Tymax Beats. Sammy Graphics was responsible for creating the thumbnail of this video. So if you also want amazing thumbnails like the one used in this video, you can go straight to Instagram and search for Sammy Graphics, or any of the other social media accounts which is going to be linked in the description of this video, and follow him up, chat him up, and ask him about further details on how you can actually go ahead doing business with him. And Tymax Beats also, he was the creator of this custom made beats for this particular video, and he's going to be doing more for this video. So you should try to reach out to him and show your support. He, as you can see, the beats is really nice and he's very good at what he's doing. So if you're interested in custom made beats, so reach out to him also in the social media accounts and his SoundCloud account for custom made beats. So with this, we've come to the end of today's video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and anticipate for the next video, because it's going to be a hit. It's going to be the video you don't want to miss. The video that's going to help a lot of people make that dream money that they actually want from Upwork. Catch you guys later. Bye bye.